go to a little town called Sonora, California. Sonora, California is an old gold rush town from like the mid 1800s. And the really cool thing about this town is it's littered with antique shops. So I've got to be able to find something there, you would think. And not only that, I'm actually going to be staying in a really historical building, which I'm super excited about. I'm going to take you guys along for the ride on this trip. I'm going to show you all the things that I find and anything cool that I might see.
Starting to get real pretty out there. Lots of nice things to look at. Like them cows there. Them are nice cows.
I'm already totally into it. There's like woods and trees and then a church steeple that's just emerging from within the trees. That's usually a good sign. But where's my hotel? Oh, the Gunn House Hotel. All right. Right
the
here.
Destination
this
is
one.
on your right. Gunn House Hotel. Arrived.
Okay. So the hotel is called the Gunn House Hotel, and it was actually built by a guy named Louis Gunn, who moved here during the gold rush because he wanted to be this successful, I don't know what you call somebody that mines gold, a gold miner? Gold prospector? He wanted to be this successful gold prospector, but I don't think it worked out for him the way that he wanted to. So he started this area's very first newspaper called the Sonora Herald. And this building was the office for the newspaper. So basically, they've really done a pretty good job of trying to keep it as authentic as possible. But here's where I get concerned, you guys, because I also read that this place at one point was converted into a hospital. I am not like trying to have an episode of Ghost Hunters on this trip. I just want to find some cool antiques. I don't need to be woken up by some woman in a red dress at 3 a.m. at the foot of my bed. Yeah, no, I'm gonna pass. So why don't we go see if we can just like check in and put my stuff down so we can start looking for antiques? Hello? What's going on? Oh my gosh. No. What is happening? Oh, this is cool. Hello, how are you?
Good.
Okay, you guys, so they gave me a key. My gosh, look, I even get like a little table outside. All right. Yeah, this is small, but I can definitely make this work. But can we talk about how tall this doorknob is? This is my knee. That's my knee. It is knee length, this doorknob. Maybe I'm confused by it. Yep. Oh, but this is cool if I want to like sing to the neighbors in the morning, because that's what you do with this, right? I feel like in a town like this, the neighbors would sing to each other in the mornings, but again, I could be wrong. The town's pretty cool though. Like, I think there's gonna be a lot of cool restaurants that I'm able to walk to just directly from the hotel. But then there's also a couple of really cool little towns, sort of, I don't know, maybe like 10 minutes from here that I'm probably gonna drive to over the next couple of days. So I'll have to show you guys what I find there too. But with the amount of antique shops in this area, I can't imagine that I'm not gonna be able to find anything cool. So kind of excited to check it out and see what kind of stuff I can find. How much is this basket in here?
It's 400.
Okay.
And as far as I know, it's from the Washoe tribe.
Cool. And then you have a couple of they look like pewter statues in the window.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know how much those are?
Yeah, we're selling this one at 150. This one we have listed at 200.
Okay. Cool. And they're both by the same guy. How do you know this is from Tiffany? Is it marked?
It's marked on the movement
Oh,
in
okay.
the back.
Wow, it's nice. How much is that?
We haven't really had, we've had it for not very long, so we're probably asking like probably 1,800.
Okay.
And at some point we'll probably take less than that, but for now that's what we're asking.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. It's cool that it has the matching candlesticks too.
Yep.
So he looked over my baseball cards and then he acted like, well, are you selling them? I said, well, I really don't want to sell them without my sister here because we're splitting everything and I just like it better when she.
Yeah, I think I'll do these. Yeah, I'll do that. Okay, I clearly didn't think this through because now I have a giant box of stemware that I have to carry through the streets. So now I'm walking back to the hotel to drop it off at the room. It's a pretty good price for Waterford stemware. This was, he wanted $10 for the larger ones and he took $5 for the other ones that aren't so valuable. The open champagne glasses. So I was happy with that. They're all in really good shape. So I'm gonna go drop these off and then we'll check out the rest of the stores. But that was a pretty good first find of the day. This one looks cool.
Wasn't it right next to the hotel?
Hi there.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you doing?
Good, thanks. So it looks like down here it's just a lot of books. A few things that I would kind of like, but mostly books. I'm totally digging this little cave though. Oh my God. Yeah, I love it. Okay, yeah, I think I'll just do this here. All right, you guys. So, I kind of feel like these stores have been open for a really, really long time. And you know, in some of these antique stores, like if they're not turning over their inventory super quickly, you just end up with nothing but like glassware and plates. I feel like that's kind of what happened. It's a ton of glassware, a ton of like dinnerware and plates. But all of their wine glasses, they literally wanted $30 for, which is just outrageous for a wine glass that you don't know anything about. So obviously, I can't really get any of the other ones for $30, but this one for $30 I can get. This is actually from a company called St. Louis, and it's a French crystal company. And this is one of their most popular patterns called Tommy. And they actually do this in a lot of different colors. So you can get it in like blue and yellow, and this one is the cranberry. And these are super expensive, you guys. These go for well over $100. So I paid $30. That's still a lot of money for a glass, I feel like, but I think it's well worth it. I think it's gonna go for probably well over $100. And they're really, really hard to find, especially these colored ones. It's in good shape. No chips or cracks. $30. Thank you. I was just sad they didn't have any more of them. So it's just kind of funny. So far, all I have gotten is wine glasses. All this place has is wine glasses and plates. So anyways, I'm done. I've checked out all the shops in the area. There was not a lot of stuff, but I'm super happy with everything I did get. Tomorrow, I'm gonna check out another area that's nearby and take you guys with me. Hopefully we find more stuff that's different than wine glasses. So anyways, I am hungry. I'm gonna go get lunch. And I saw this really cool place with a little river that goes by it. So I think we should go check it out. Vegan enchiladas? No. I'll bet this is cool at night. They have these lights on. So tomorrow, we're going to be going to Jamestown, which is actually another gold rush town, probably close to the same age as this one, but they also have a lot of antique shops, so I'm excited to show that to you guys. Make sure you guys tune in next week to see Jamestown and whatever antiques they might have for us.